Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Fire TV Cube 3rd generation with Wi-Fi 6E, and it's a 4K HDR media streamer. Here's a bunch of apps that are listed as being supported. You'll notice that the apps, some of them might be unique because some of them are Canadian based because I'm based here in Canada. And of course it does have Amazon services built into it. And that sticker came off a little too easily, kind of, I don't know, should I be concerned there? Although Amazon is pretty strict about their products and handling, so I guess I'll just continue with the unboxing, but it just seemed like it was kind of cut, maybe, I don't know, during shipping and packaging when they cut the tape to kind of slice there by accident a little bit. But anyway, moving along, here's the actual media streamer slash smart speaker, if you will. It's very reminiscent of a typical Echo service product because you have the controls at the top. And of course, not just Wi-Fi 6E, you have Ethernet at the back, you have HDMI in and HDMI out. Okay, so it's pretty interesting because then you're allowing an HDMI pass-through through this media streamer. So Amazon seems to be going more and more all out with the technology in their Fire TV Cube media player. So here's some quick documentation in regards to quick start guide, which I don't see the point. Anyway, I'll get back to that, but here's some safety and warranty information. It's kind of useless. The reason I say that is because it's a purely online-based media streamer, so why not just have a quick little link paper saying where to find the quick start guide information online instead of wasting all that paper. I just find that really weird from all manufacturers of media streamers. Just doesn't make sense environmentally, but Amazon is well known to waste a lot of paper and cardboard, so whatever. I cannot get this power adapter out. I'm not sure what kind of glue or adhesive is here, so the reason I say that is because it's not a typical sticker or tape. It's not coming off. Okay, it's actually like glued together. I'm not sure why they did that. Very bizarre. And that's why I'm having such a struggling time with trying to get this off. I finally got it, but yeah, just kind of weird because usually I've done a lot of Fire TV Cube, Fire TV device media streamers. This is the only time I've really struggled this much with it. And of course, when it comes to the power connector, it's not a USB based, okay? It's like a barrel port. So just wanted to point that out there. It might not be a big deal, but if you're looking to make the cable longer, you can't just get a very long USB cable and call it a day. You're gonna have to get an extension cord and then plug this power adapter into it, okay? That's the only reason I would mention that. There's a tiny little extra box in there, nothing in there. Just again, just kind of a filler, more wasted cardboard from Amazon, surprise, surprise. And here's the remote itself, really wrapped up neatly. So it's, again, very reminiscent of a typical Fire TV remote, but with a lot of extra buttons compared to some of the previous generation Fire TV devices. There's a lot more controls here, but we'll cover all that stuff and performance and all that good items in the review. A link to the review will be in the video description. And of course, the batteries for the remote, which are kind of loosely packed, not wrapped around usually like they typically are, but anyway. And there goes one on the floor. Again, you can find a link to the review in the video description. Be sure to check out my website link and social network links in the video description as well. Hit the like button and it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.